Hello, it's Sophie here again, a rainy day in Lymington. Here we've got the Dehler 35 Griselda Pugh. She's from 2011. She was actually a stock boat and that was then bought by her current owner from the factory and was brought over to the UK ready for the 2013 season. So we will hop on the deck. She's got a spinnaker pole on the deck, as you can see. She's fully set up to take a symmetric spinnaker, but doesn't have one. This owner bought her solely for cruising. Into the anchor locker there, Lumar electric windlass, and her jib furler there is sunk below the deck. As you can see, she hasn't got much teak to worry about, just that nice little strip on the coach roof and then teak in the cockpit as well. We've got a twin spreader rig there with swept-back spreaders. She's had various upgrades to her running rigging in early 2020. There's the cockpit, nice big wheel. Main sheet track there, which runs just in front of the wheel. Now, for a 35-foot boat, she's got an awful lot of storage, so you've got this huge locker aft there in the transom. She's not short on deck stowage or stowage below decks. Engine control panel there, and she's got a grand total of 93 hours on her. I walked down to the boat and it was nice and dry, and as I arrived it started raining, so hence you'll see the teak decks are wet. Another huge cockpit locker there. Electric winch, so she's got an electric halyard winch, so you don't have to stand under the spray hood and grind away. And as if by magic, the clever washboard is now dropped. So no need to stow the washboards, and we'll head down below. Straight away you can obviously see how immaculate her joinery is. And of course the sun came out as soon as I went below. Quick look round and then we will head into the aft cabin. It's a good sized cabin, good sized berth. Sails are currently stowed in there. Those are Dacron North sails. Got a wardrobe in there as well. Then we've got the galley. Quick look in the fridge, which I think is empty sadly. Twin stainless steel sinks. Heads just on the starboard aft. Great sized heads, manual Jabsco toilet, heater outlet, which is very important in the heads in the winter in the UK. Again, more stowage behind the heads there, and that's her holding tank you can see there as well. Chart table, Raymarine E125 plotter, VHF, stereo, heating control is there. Got storage under the chart table seat, storage either side of the saloon. We've got blinds on those side windows. We don't have blinds on the hatches above. Forward cabin, V-berth, wardrobes either side, again with seating in front of them, which is very nice. Makes life a bit easier when you're getting dressed up there. Quick look back aft. Got this nice light upholstery, which helps make her very bright. And I wonder what's under the companionway. Is her Volvo Penta D130, which is, believe it or not, 30 horsepower. That's the upgraded engine option. She's also got the upgraded draft, which is 2.1 metres. And that's Griselda Pugh, the Dehler 35